Okay, so I'm in the middle of a transition. I can tell like a transition is happening. I'm about to like birth something new in my business. And I can feel it and it's big and it's different than anything I've ever done before. So I do the whole like whatever breakdown contraction thing before the big breakthrough comes. And I notice, and I'm wondering if this resonates for you, whenever I'm in a big transition and I'm kind of up leveling how I'm doing things, the place I want to be operating from, who I want to be talking to and connecting with, that sometimes I struggle with meeting, or there's just kind of like an awkward, like purgatory transition period between my ability to connect with clients where they're at from this new level. Let me explain. So, as a recovering people pleaser, I have a tendency to want to help everyone. So, when I talk, I'll use like a lot of vague or like trauma informed language to make sure that I'm like accommodating everyone and everyone's abilities and meeting everyone exactly where they're at. But the problem with that is when you're talking to everyone, you kind of don't really stand for anything. And in terms of like business and getting clients, and also it kind of takes you out of the equation. So I've struggled with this over the years, and anytime I kind of level up